If you're looking to create and organize workflows in SuiteDash, you're in the right place. This quick explainer will walk you through the process, and stick around till the end because I'll be sharing a special extended free trial offer plus some surprising alternatives that might suit your needs even better. Let's dive into how you can create and organize workflows in SuiteDash to make your business operations smoother and more efficient. First, when you're in SuiteDash, you'll want to start by navigating to the Workflow section. Here, you'll have the ability to create automated tasks, reminders, and actions, saving you time and minimizing human error. The system gives you a visual interface, making it easy to see exactly how your workflows are laid out. It's a great feature for those of you who want to streamline your processes without getting lost in complex menus. Next thing, creating a workflow. Click the Add New Workflow button, which opens up a blank slate for your new project. You can start by giving your workflow a clear and descriptive name. Make sure it reflects the process you are automating. Whether it's onboarding a new client or managing a sales pipeline, clarity is key. The third thing is defining the triggers for your workflow. A trigger can be anything like a form submission, a new project creation, or even a task being completed. Setting the right trigger ensures that your workflow runs exactly when you need it. The power here is that once the trigger happens, everything else in the workflow follows automatically. After that, you'll want to add actions to your workflow. This could include sending an email, creating tasks, or adding tags. Actions are the steps that happen after the trigger. SuiteDash offers a lot of customization here, but it's easy to get overwhelmed by the options, so keep it simple and start small. The fifth thing, organizing your workflows. SuiteDash allows you to categorize your workflows, making it easy to keep things tidy. Whether you're dealing with client onboarding, project management, or internal tasks, categorizing workflows helps you manage them effectively without getting buried under a pile of to-dos. You can also use tags to filter and search for specific workflows. Another thing to keep in mind is the workflow reporting. Once your workflows are set up, you'll want to monitor how well they are performing. SuiteDash offers reporting tools that allow you to track workflow completion rates, so you can see where things are slowing down. This is where SuiteDash's approach shines. You're not just automating tasks, you're also getting insights into how effective those automations are. Finally, let's talk about integration. SuiteDash integrates with popular apps like Google Calendar, Zapier, and QuickBooks, which can help you extend the functionality of your workflows. If you're running a business that depends on various software solutions, this can be a lifesaver. But don't forget, integration can be tricky, especially when you're trying to sync multiple tools across platforms. It's important to test everything to ensure a seamless experience. So, if you're thinking SuiteDash sounds like a game changer, you're right. But before you get locked into any software, I want to mention some alternatives that may suit your needs even better. Stay tuned for that exclusive extended free trial for SuiteDash, but also check out these other great platforms that offer similar workflow features, but with some distinct advantages for your particular needs. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on this offer, and be sure to explore these options to find what works best for your workflow management.